Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Paychex Payroll and HR. Review my usage experience. Paychex Payroll and HR offers payroll processing and human resources management solutions for small to medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline payroll, handle tax filings, and manage employee information, helping businesses save time and reduce administrative burden. Key features likely include employee onboarding, time and attendance tracking, payroll calculation, tax reporting, and potentially benefits administration. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Paychex positions itself as a comprehensive HR and payroll solution, emphasizing ease of use and compliance. They highlight features designed to simplify complex HR tasks. Their website emphasizes accuracy and time savings, implying reduced administrative costs. They likely offer various pricing tiers to accommodate different business sizes and needs. Availability is generally nationwide, though specific details would be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Paychex Payroll and HR. Getting started was fairly straightforward. The initial setup involved creating an account and inputting basic company information, which took about 30 minutes. The interface is intuitive, though it took me a day or two to fully grasp the advanced reporting features. I found the payroll processing incredibly efficient. It automatically calculated taxes and generated pay stubs with no issues. I particularly appreciated the clear, easily accessible employee information section. I had a quick question about setting up direct deposit and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the reporting tools. Getting detailed payroll summaries was super easy. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick checks on payroll information. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for benefits administration. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Paychex. It simplified my payroll and HR tasks significantly, saving me considerable time and effort. That's my overview of Paychex Payroll and HR. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.